There it is right there, but you guys need to pick this fat away here.
Okay.
And the same, looks like it's probably the same with this side too. Get this, all this junk out of the way so there's the renal artery right there.
What did you say?
Okay, we went over the girl parts yesterday. We're going over the guy parts today, but I just kind of want to review a couple of things. Number one, we've got our urinary bladder here. We've got our kidneys right here. We've got a tube going between the two, taking urine that's produced in the kidneys to be stored in the bladder, and that is this structure right here called the ureter. Okay, this group has isolated their aorta, which is right here, and the inferior vena cava, which is right here, nice and blue. Their aorta didn't get injected very well. That's unfortunate. We've got a kidney with a very nice renal vein here. The renal artery is a little harder to see because it's still got some junk around it, but here's the renal artery right here. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the, oh, by the way, we have to tease through this fat a little bit right here. Okay, to find where the bladder narrows into this little tube right here. Okay, you guys see this little tube right here?
Yep.
Okay, that is the urethra. Some of you guys grossly refer to that as the P tube, okay, but that's the urethra. That's where urine is going to leave the bladder and go out of the body. Okay, so the external male genitalia, we've got a penis right here. Now, Josh seems to think his cat has the best penis. I don't know.
What?
Okay, he was telling me that earlier. He says, my cat has a really nice penis. Those are his exact words. Are they not your exact words?
I mean,
Yes, I don't even have to say anything else, okay? Now, now cats, you know, they're pretty small. Okay, we have the penis right here. Here is the scrotum that is just a sack of skin that contains the two testes. Okay, now sperm cells are produced in the testes, and then they pass through two tubes called the semen tubes, or the actual scientific name for them is vas deferens. And here's the vas deferens right here in this fat stuff. So you guys are going to pull all this fat off, but keep the tubes right here. Okay, and for the other side, let's see if we can find them on the other side. Okay, and here's the vas deferens on the other side. You guys have heard of a vasectomy?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and that's where they go into a man's body and they... no, they don't deman them. They don't take the balls out. The testicles, I should say. All they do is they cut and cauterize this tube. Okay, so everything else is intact. What they'll do is they'll cut this tube. They actually do it in the scrotum. They'll cut the tube. They'll cut it here and cut it here. But again, in a man, they do it in the scrotum. And then they cauterize each end, so there's actually a little space in between. Okay. Okay, so now internally, the vas deferens comes in through here, and internally it comes up through here. Here's the vas deferens or semen tube. This is a little distracting right here. Here is the vas deferens or semen tube on the left side. Okay, right here. So we're going to clean this up a little bit. You guys are going to remove all this fat. And then our vas deferens on this side, or semen tube on this side, is right here. Okay, so those are the male parts, penis, scrotum with the testes inside, okay, and then our semen tubes right here. This is the internal semen tubes. These are, the external semen tubes, okay, directly underneath the skin. Okay?
That's good.
Now, part of the difference in between a cat and a human being is there is no external part, okay? Everything's internal in a human being. Okay. Now, I again want to remind you, your time with your cat's very, very limited. And I'm talking to everybody. Time with your cat's very, very limited. So please make sure that the time that you have in class, you are reviewing that entire list. You can really pick out all of the features from that list. And I haven't gone through every single one of them yet. We're going to finish up on Monday, okay? You've gone through that